Welcome to Sun-Mar's YouTube channel, where we talk about all things composting toilet. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Now let's get to today's video. Hi, it's Ray from Sun-Mar, your global composting experts and leaders in composting toilets for over 40 years. Even though they compost, our toilets are designed to be used just like a regular toilet, with regular toilet paper and zero chemicals. They can go pretty much anywhere. Cabin in the woods, we have a toilet for you. Chalet in the mountains, we have a toilet for you. Garages, barns, bunkies, cabins, resorts, farms, even underground, you name it, we have a toilet for you. So they can go anywhere and you can get one anywhere, from a major retailer near you or online at your favorite web store. We have a lineup of composting systems to fit your specific needs, most of which are certified by the National Sanitation Foundation, or NSF, Standard 41. Today, I'm beside the CENTREX 1000 NE, a composting system that is designed to give you the efficiency of a composting toilet and the familiarity of a conventional toilet. The CENTREX 1000 NE is a non-electric system that is an ideal addition for when you have space for the composter away from the toilet. It's a two-part system and uses an ultra low flush toilet. We'll put links for both in the description below. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it is true. Okay, I'm just about done, so that means I'm almost out of time. Please stay tuned for more Sun-Mar videos. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. Feel free to share and follow us for more videos. See you next time.